History has just been written in the stars, and its ink is the spirit of India. In a moment that gripped a billion hearts, Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla, India's first astronaut aboard the International Space Station, took his first steps back on Earth. At exactly 3:01 p.m. Indian Standard Time, the SpaceX Dragon capsule pierced through Earth's atmosphere, blazing a fiery trail of glory before splashing down off the California coast near San Diego. As recovery teams raced to the capsule inside, Shukla and his multinational Axiom 4 crew emerged safe and smiling. Back in Lucknow, emotion overflowed. The Shuklas left overwhelmed with tears, prayers and pride. Shukla's family experienced a wave of pride, excitement and deep emotion as they waited and celebrated his return from space. The family closely followed every development, glued to live updates, offering prayers and preparing for his homecoming with both joy and reverence.
भगवान से मन ही मन प्रार्थना कर रहे थे कि सुरक्षित लैंडिंग हो जाए, सुरक्षित लैंडिंग हो।
हम लोग कभी रोंगटे खड़े हो जिस वक्त हम रिपोर्ट कर रहे थे। आप ही बताइए कि कितनी बड़ी प्रेरणा शुभांशु बन गए हैं।
प्रेरणा तो बन ही गए सबके, पूरे संसार के लिए, दुनिया के लिए, भारत के लिए, सबके लिए।
डर था हल्का सा भी?
नहीं, अब कोई डर नहीं है।
His father, Shambhu Dayal Shukla, spoke of overflowing pride.
ठीक ठाक रहा, सब बढ़िया रहा, बहुत अच्छा रहा और लैंडिंग अच्छी तरह हो गई। ये बहुत खुशी की बात है हम लोगों के लिए और देशवासियों के लिए, सबकी जो है खुशी की बात है।
बेटे से मिलना है जल्दी?
बस बेटे से मिलना है।
कब तक उम्मीद है?
अब ये 15 दिन कभी।
क्या कहेंगे बेटे से एक आखिरी सवाल में?
अब बेटे को गले लगाएंगे, उसको आशीर्वाद देंगे।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed it a milestone towards Gaganyaan, saying Shubhanshu has inspired a billion's dreams with his courage and pioneering spirit. And in New Delhi, the emotion was no less electric. Joining the celebrations was Union Minister of Science and Technology and Space, Dr. Jitendra Singh.
As I said, it's of course a moment of pride for the whole world, but special moment of glory for India, because one of Mother India's son, illustrious sons, is coming back, having performed a successful voyage and having also conducted the first of its kind experiments in the microgravity conditions in the space, which are going to have which have a great bearing on life, on human habitat, human existence, and which are going to be of benefit and utility not only to India but also for the rest of the world.
Now all eyes turn on August 17th as Subhanshu may return to Delhi, a hero's welcome awaiting a man who has become a symbol of India's celestial rise. The stars are no longer out of reach because one of our own just came back from them. This is not just a return, it is a new beginning for Gaganyaan and for India's boundless space dream. Bureau Report, India Today.